Hey everybody, I'm going to go over the compound inequalities worksheet laid out here, and this is pretty basic. Solve the compound inequality and then graph the solution. Okay, so the first one is or, and remember all the problems are either and or, and that should help you know if we're going to be graphing in or out. So I said you can cover half of the problem to make it a little easier on you. And so my river is going to go down the inequality. And then I've got 3x minus 4 on one side. I'm going to clear out everything except for the x. So the opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. I've got 3x is less than or equal to 9. And then 3 times x, the opposite is divide by 3. And x is less than or equal to 3. I'll cover that up. And I'm left with, over here, two-step, 2x minus 6 is more than 6. So if you add 6 to both sides, 2x is more than 12, and then divide by 2, and x is more than 6. So here are my two numbers. I've got 3 and 6, so I'm just going to put 3 somewhere, and I'm going to put 6 somewhere. I know there are small lines on this worksheet, but I don't really care. As long as you number these two numbers, that's really all I care about. So this one is or equal to, so it's a closed circle. And again, I'm going to make my circles nice and big. And this is greater than 6, so it's open. And I'm going to go greater than 6, and I'm going to go less than or equal to 3. And it fits because it's an or problem, it graphs out. The next one has two inequalities in one line, so this has to be an and problem. Remember, anytime you have two inequalities in the same equation, it's an and problem. I'm going to solve for x in the middle, so I'm going to clear out or cancel positive 3 and do the opposite of minus 2 times x, so the opposite of times negative 2. So minus 3 on all three sides. Bring that down. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. 11 minus 3 is positive 8. And now I'm going to divide by negative 2. And then in this case, because I'm dividing by a negative, I'm going to flip the sign. So this is the opposite direction as this sign right here. I flipped it. And then same thing. And then we have x in the middle. And this is going to be positive 4. I'm going to rewrite this positive 4 and negative 4. Okay, now I still have to think about graphing. I don't want to put negative 4. I don't want to put negative 4 on the right side of positive 4, even though over here negative 4 is on the right side of 4. So negative 4, let's put negative 4 in the correct place. Let's put positive 4 in their correct place. Again, don't flip-flop these just because they're on opposite sides right here. And then this one is actually or equal to, so the positive 4 is closed, this is open, and I should be going x is more than negative 4, so more than negative 4 and less than positive 4. So just like it says, and should be graphed in. Okay? Hopefully that gets you guys started well. Oh, right here, I'm sorry. Write compound inequality for the solutions of each set. I want to try to keep this with the x in the middle, and then I need to put the negative 3 over here and the 1 over here, and then think about which way your alligator mouths are going to go. And there is a pattern, but x is everything bigger than negative 3 and everything less than 1, so it's going to go that way. And in this case, I'm going to have to write the word or, okay? And this says x is less than negative 2, and, I'm sorry, I'm saying and, but it's or x is more than or equal to positive 3. Okay, let's go down here. Create a compound inequality for the following words. 9 less than a number is no more than 8, and is no less than 3. So 9 less than numbers like x minus 9, and this is no more than 8. So this has to be less than or equal to 8. And then this is no less than 3, so it has to be more than 3. Let's see here, do I need the equal sign? And is no less than 3, so it's or equal to. Okay, the sum of 4 times a number and 8, so 4 times a number is 4 times x, and the sum is add, so the word sum means add, here's times right here, is between 0 and 12, so 0 and 12, and this has to be bigger than 0 and less than 12. Okay, so looking up here, I'm just looking at my work. This is technically correct. You could also write it like this. And I think maybe this might be a little bit more technically correct, but these are saying the same thing, okay?